to view. I need to do valve adjustment on my Acura Integra. Did you hear the clicking noise? That's the valve adjustment, guys. Hear that? Bella, did you hear the clicking noise? That's the valve adjustment, Bella. We need to fix that one. Okay? Hold on, Bella. Close the door. How about this one, Bella? Ready for long drive?
Still perfect.
Okay, I just checked that one, the oil, and that's the coolant. Need to check the oil, Bella. Need to check the oil, Bella. Uh-oh. Bella, where are you going? See that engine sound? Valve adjustment, guys. Clicking noise. Okay, Bella? Watch your finger. Dancing. When we come back from Vegas, we need to fix the clicking noise. We need to do some valve adjustment, okay? Alright.